Good morning everyone. I am your math teacher from Mount Litera Z School Rampura Fool. Today in this video session we are going to move further in the topic addition. It means today we will do some more concepts of addition. After doing the properties of addition which we sent you in the last video, so after doing the properties of addition, today we are going to do the concept of addition in the form of three numbers. So today we will learn how to add three numbers. We all know that how to add two numbers. As you can see in this sum, here three numbers are given to us, that is 5, 2 and 1. But in the previous videos we had learned that how to add only two numbers, and today we will learn how to add three numbers. It is as simple as we had done in adding two numbers. Here what is the difference? The difference is only of number, that we have got one number more than two numbers. Here we are having in total three numbers. So now let us start. Suppose here we have these three numbers. These three numbers are given to us, 2, 3 and 1. Now if we need to add these numbers, what we are supposed to do? We will do the same as we had done in addition of two numbers. बेटा जैसे हम लोगों ने दो numbers को add किया था using lines और drawing lines, हम वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी करेंगे. बस यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, 3 times we have to draw the lines because here we are having three numbers. Okay, so now let us start. This is page number 36. This is page number 36 of your book. Okay, let us do the first sum. Here the number is 2. यहाँ पे dots लगी हुई हैं, but we will do it with lines. So 2, so we will draw here two lines, 1 and 2. Here the number is 3 and we will draw how many lines? 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Here the number is 1, so we will draw one line. ये देखिए मैंने एक लाइन लगा दी है. अब बेटा हम क्या करेंगे, we will count all the lines together because addition brings the things together, addition brings the numbers together. So यहाँ पे हम लोग we will count all the lines together. Okay, now you all will start counting with me. So let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In total these are 6 lines. So here we will write number 6. The answer is 6. So here we will write 6. So 6 is our answer. It means after adding all these three numbers, the answer which we have got, that is 6. Now let us do one more sum. Here we have three numbers again, 5, 0 and 2. First of all, let us draw the lines as per number 5. So we will draw here 5 lines. ये 0 है बेटे, यहाँ पे इन्होंने डॉट्स के साथ लगाया हुआ है, तो यू कैन इग्नोर डॉट्स. आप डॉट्स के साथ नहीं, हम लोग लाइन्स के साथ ही लगाएंगे क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है जो डॉट्स होती हैं वो दिखाई नहीं देती हैं. सो वी विल ड्रॉ लाइन्स. सो नाउ लेट अस, द नंबर इज 5, सो लेट अस मेक 5 लाइन्स. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last is 5. And here the number is 0. I told you in the previous video also that there will be no line for 0. If 0 is a single number, if 0 is alone, तो हम लोग 0 की लाइन नहीं लगाएंगे. If 0 is alone here like it is given here, it means 0 has no value. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे 0 की लाइन नहीं लगाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे we have 2, so we will draw two lines. 1, 2. Now let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in together these are total 7 lines. It means when we add the numbers 5 plus 2, we get 7 as our answer. 7 as the answer. So here we will write the answer 7. In the same way you are supposed to do all these sums. और ये बेटा this is a homework. You will do all these sums in your maths book that they are given on page number 36. They are given on page number 36. Now let us move further. So now we are going to do one more topic, that is addition by forward counting. Addition by forward counting. But you know what is the meaning of forward? Forward means आगे बढ़ना. Forward means आगे की तरफ जाना या आगे बढ़ना. You have learned forward and backward counting in your previous classes also, in the kindergarten also. So what is the meaning of forward? Forward means आगे बढ़ना. Numbers की आगे की तरफ जाना, मतलब यहाँ पे we can say towards a greater number, as we have done in the number line. What we do in the number line? हमें जो नंबर दिया होता है बेटा, हम उससे 3 जंप आगे लेते हैं. हम उससे 3 जंप या आगे लेते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे 4 + 3 है, तो द नंबर इज 4, तो वी विल स्टैंड ऑन 4 एंड 4 से वी विल जंप टिल 3. हम 3 जंप लेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे ये देखिए 1 2 3. इन द सेम वे वी विल डू एडिशन विद द कंसेप्ट फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. यहाँ पे भी हम जो नंबर विच इज गिवन टू अस, द फर्स्ट नंबर, जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए द नंबर फर्स्ट इज 4, तो हम 4 पे स्टैंड हो जाएंगे, या 4 को वी विल राइट एट द फर्स्ट. यहाँ पे हम नंबर 4 को फर्स्ट पे लिखेंगे. उसके बाद हम कहाँ तक काउंट करेंगे? जैसे यहाँ पे द नंबर इज 3, सेकेंड नंबर इज 3, तो हम 4 के आगे वाले जो भी 3 नंबर्स हैं उनको वी विल राइट इन द बॉक्सेस. जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे 4 वी हैव रिटन. यहाँ पे द फर्स्ट इज 4, तो यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे 4 लिख दिया है. वी हैव रिटन 4 हियर. अब 4 के बाद हाउ मेनी नंबर्स? 3 नंबर्स हमें और लिखने हैं. हमें 3 नंबर्स और लिखने हैं. तो इट मीन्स जो भी ब्लैंक्स है, जो भी बॉक्सेस हैं, हमें वो सारे फिल करने हैं विद फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. विद फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. तो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 4? 5. तो हियर आई हैव रिटन 5. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 5? 6. तो हियर वी हैव रिटन 6. एंड व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 6? 7. अब देखिए ये 4 के बाद 5 6 7. वी हैव रिटन 3 नंबर्स. वी हैव रिटन 3 नंबर्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इट इज गिवन 3. And we have filled all the boxes. हमने all the boxes we have filled with the numbers. It means which is the last number? 7. So 7 is our answer. The last number is always our answer. The last number is always our answer in addition. Now let us do one more sum, one or two more sum, then you will be more clarified with the topic. So यहाँ पे देखिए बच्चे, यहाँ पे which is the first number? 2. तो 2 इज ऑलरेडी रिटन हेयर. अगर सपोज आपका एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है, वहां पे 2 नहीं लिखा होगा, फर्स्ट नंबर नहीं लिखा होगा, देन आपको कौन सा नंबर लिखना है? यू हैव टू राइट द सेम नंबर विच इज गिवन एट द फर्स्ट पोजिशन. तो यहाँ पे विच इज द फर्स्ट नंबर? 2 इज द फर्स्ट नंबर. तो हेयर वी हैव रिटन 2. अब 2 के बाद क्या है बेटे? सेकेंड नंबर इज 3. इट मीन्स 2 के बाद हमें इन बॉक्सेस में 3 नंबर्स लिखने हैं. कौन से 3 नंबर? जो 2 से आगे आते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. ये देखिए 1, देन 2, देन वी हैव 3 4, देन 5 6 7 and 8, then we have 9 and last पे we have 10. Now 2 is written here. हमने 2 यहाँ पे लिख दिया. What comes after 2? 3. तो यहाँ पे we will write 3. Then what comes after 3? 4. तो here we will write 4. What comes after 5? Sorry, what comes after 4? 5. 4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5. तो here we will write 5. अब देखिए हमारे all the boxes are filled. हम लोगों ने 2 के बाद the number is 3. 2 के बाद we have written 1 2 3 numbers. The forward 3 numbers, the further 3 numbers we have written here. हमने we have filled all the boxes or we have filled all the clouds here. Now the clouds are over, the clouds are finished, we have filled all the clouds. Which is the last number? Last पे कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है बेटा? 5. लास्ट पे 5 आ रहा है. It means 5 is our answer. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here we will do the same. Number is 3, तो here I have written 3. Here I have written 3. 3 के बाद हमें कितना नंबर लिखना है बेटे? 5 नंबर जो 3 से आगे आते हैं. एंड देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 5 बॉक्सेस और 5 क्लाउड्स आर गिवन टू अस. नाउ व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 3? 4. यहाँ पे आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग इट फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि आप लोगों को काउंटिंग आती है. सो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 3? 4. सो हेयर आई विल राइट 3 4 एंड 4 के बाद क्या आता है बेटे? आई होप यू ऑल आर गिविंग आंसर्स ऑल्सो. 5. 4 के बाद 5 एंड व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 5? 6. 5 के बाद क्या आता है? 6. 6 के बाद what comes after 6? 7. And what comes after 7? 8. What comes after 7? 8. तो here I have written 8. Here I have written 8. तो ये देखिए 3 के बाद बेटे 4 5 6 7 8. And which is the last number? The last number is 8. It means 8 is our answer. So we can say 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. अब इसको आप if you want to check आप लाइन्स लगा के भी देख सकते हो. ये देखिए यहाँ पे 3, so I can draw 3 lines. Let me 1 2 3 lines. This is 5, so here I will draw 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5. Now let us count all the lines together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ये देखिए यहाँ पे भी वी आर गेटिंग आंसर 8 एंड यहाँ पे भी द लास्ट नंबर इज 8. इट मीन्स आर आंसर इज करेक्ट. आर आंसर इज करेक्ट. सो इन दिस वे you will do all these sums. This is your homework. You will do all these sums. You will do this page, that is page number 37 in your maths book. Now let us move further. So here we have the last topic, addition. Here we have the last topic of addition, and these are story sums. Which they are very easy. देखिए यहाँ पे the numbers are same, the digits are given in the same pattern, in the same manner as we were doing them previously. But now what is the different? Here we have got a story. हमें यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी, छोटी सी स्टोरी है, हमें उस स्टोरी को रीड करना है एंड हमें नंबर्स को ऐसे लिखना है. यहाँ पे तो नंबर्स आर ऑलरेडी रिटन, ठीक है. बट लेट अस लर्न हाउ टू डू. ये देखिए, Sumit has 5 marbles. How many marbles are Sunit is having? 5 marbles. And Amit has 4. How many marbles is Amit having? 4. Amit के पास कितनी marbles हैं बेटे? 4. What is the total number of marbles with them? What is the total? बेटे, this word is very important. This word total is very important. Whenever we get this word total, it means हमें addition करना है. Total means क्या होता है? Addition. Total means addition. So total means we have to add. अब देखिए, Sumit is having 5 marbles. And Amit is having 4 marbles. In together, how many marbles they are having? अगर हम Sumit and Amit दोनों की marbles को if we put them together, if we count them together, how many marbles are there in total? Now here we have to keep one thing in mind to make the sums very easy. We have to first of all just see the numbers. That which numbers we are having. We are having number 5. ये देखिए, the first number is 5. Addition में I am talking about addition only. The first number is 5. तो यहाँ पे हमने 5 को ऊपर लिख दिया, because Sumit is having 5 marbles. And यहाँ पे Amit is having 4 marbles. तो second number we are having, first number was 5, जो हमारे पास first number था वो 5 था, and the second number is 4. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिख दिया है? 4 हमने 5 के नीचे लिख दिया. As I told you in the previous videos कि these number are supposed to be in one line. जो सेकेंड नंबर है हम उसको फर्स्ट नंबर के नीचे ही लिखेंगे. तो here we have written 4. Now let us do addition of these two numbers. How to do addition? Using lines. Very easy. Okay, now let us draw the lines. 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have number 4. Let us draw 4 lines. Let us make 4 lines. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let us count all the lines together. Let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कितने लाइन्स है बेटे सारी? इनको सबको लाइन्स को काउंट करोगे तो कितने लाइन्स है? 9 लाइन्स है. ये देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. It means 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And story sums में there is a blank also. Total number of marbles is कि total कितना है? So this is our total. This is our total means add करने के बाद जो हमें आंसर मिलता है. Total means हमें we have to add the numbers. So we have got here 9. तो 9 is the total. 9 is the total marbles. 9 is the total number. So ये जो यहाँ पे आंसर है सेम आंसर हम लोग यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में भी लिख देंगे. So total number of marble is 9. Total number of marble is 9. So we will write the same answer here also. So यहाँ पे we have written 9 and here also we have written 9. So in the same way you have to do these sums also, this sum also, and this sum also, and this sum also. Okay, and this is your page number 38. This is your page number 38. So you have to do all these pages, whatever pages I have mentioned in this video, that is page number 38, page number 37 and page number 36. So you have to do all these 3 pages, page number 36, page number 37 and page number 38. You will do all these 3 pages in your book. Now let us have a quick revision of this oral test also. Let us do this oral exercise also. What is 9 plus 0? Okay, give me the answer. I hope you all are giving answers also. Tell the answer to your mother. बच्चे 0 की वैल्यू नहीं है तो 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus, because whenever we add 0 is any of the number is always the answer. The number is always the answer. What is 1 more than 5? What is 1 more than 5? More means ज़्यादा. कितने ज़्यादा है? 1 more. It means we have to add 1 in 5. So 5 plus 1, जब भी हम किसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी में I told you, जब भी हम किसी नंबर में बेटे 1 ऐड करते हैं तो क्या आता है हमेशा? The next number is the answer. And what comes after 5? 6. What comes after 5? So 6 is the answer. I have 2 books in my bag and 3 in my hand. What is the total number of books with me? कहते हैं 2 books कहाँ पे है? In the bag. 2 books are in the bag and 3 books in the hand. तो आपको यहाँ पे टोटल करना है. वैसे ये oral test है लेकिन still I am explaining. Okay. So यहाँ पे we will draw 2 lines. 1, 2. 2 books are in the bag and 3 books are in the hand. So 1, 2, 3. So देखिए वहाँ पे what is the total? The word is total. Total means we have to add these number. अब इनको add करेंगे तो यहाँ पे we have to write plus. This is the symbol of addition. Now let us count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this was all about the top chapter addition, and here we have done with the topic, and we have done with the chapter addition. And now you have to, what is your homework? You have to do page number 36, 37 and 38 in your maths book. I hope the topic is clear to you. So this was your maths teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Fool. Stay safe everybody. Stay home. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.